Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the seamless process of adding your business to Google Maps. Let's get started. The first step is to create your Google account. Create a Google account from here. Once that's done, proceed to the next step. Next, type Google Business and click to get started. Hit Manage Now to begin. Enter your business name. Select the type and specify a category. Now add your precise business address. Pinpoint your exact location. Provide your phone number. The website is optional but recommended for better customer outreach. Tap here for news and tips and click Continue. Verify your phone number for added credibility. You can add business hours, but for now, we'll skip that step. Enable free messaging for your business on Google. This ensures seamless communication with potential customers. Craft a compelling business description. Showcase your store with vibrant photos. This creates a lasting impression. Opt for notifications on surveys and pilots. Plus, claim free advertising credits to boost your visibility. Your edits will be visible once verified by Google. Click Continue to proceed. Finally, we have set up our business on Google. Here is the dashboard. Manage and review your business performance, make updates, and explore insights right here. For expert Google business management and optimization, contact at brucejonesSEO.com. Elevate your online presence. Don't forget to subscribe to the JovieSocial YouTube channel for more insightful videos. Let's grow your business together. Thank you for watching. Let's put your business on the map.